Hi everyone, we've got our market update again this week. Essex County, Middlesex County, northeast of Massachusetts. I am licensed in New Hampshire as well, so if there's a property in southern New Hampshire you're interested in or a town you're interested in, don't be afraid to reach out. Let's take a look at Essex County first. We have for sale 397 homes. That's a slight increase of 3 homes from last week. Average list price of $1.368 million. That's up $60,000 from last week. Days on market is 62, literally no change from last week. Sold in the last 30 days, we have 227 homes sold. 227 homes was the number last week as well. Average sale price on those homes is $906,000. That's a slight increase of $51,000. Average list price was $899,000. That's also a slight increase. That was up $36,000. Average days on market for those is 40. That's down 1 from the previous week. So not a lot of change as far as list price, sale price, and days on market is going for Essex County. Middlesex County, for sale currently, we have 891 homes. That's up 69 from last week. So we're starting to build a little bit of inventory there. Average price is $2.1 million. And that's a slight increase of $20,000 from last week. Days on market is 46. That's ticking down 2 days. Sold in the last 30 days in Middlesex County, we have 443 homes. That's up 52 from the previous week. Average sale price of $1.09 million, and that's a slight increase, about $50,000. And average list price was $1.05 million. And that's down $20,000 from the previous week. So not much of a change there as far as list price, sale price, and what's happening with those homes. Days on market is 32, and that's down 2 days from the previous week. Not seeing big price changes, at least not huge swings in pricing in either Essex County or Middlesex County week to week. And not really seeing much of a price change just in the last 30 days to 60 days either. Let's take a look at our town of interest. We are interested in Sherborn this week. Sold in the last 30 days, there are 2. There's not a lot of activity going on there. Sold in the last 6 months is 18. Average list price was $1.38 million. Average sale price was $1.39 million. Basically the exact same list price to sale price. Average days on market was 46. Currently for sale down there in Sherborn is 6 homes with an average list price of $1.75. So the homes that are on the market are a little bit higher priced than what has sold. Days on market though is only 39, so they're not sitting that long. And I don't get down to Sherborn that often, but it is a beautiful town, and I do love going down there when I get the chance. If you have interest in any specific town that you want information on, or a specific house that you wanted to find out information on or you wanted to go see, don't be afraid to reach out. I'm happy to do that for you. If you're thinking about selling your home and you want to find out what it's worth and what you need to do to sell it, please reach out. I'm happy to give you a hand. Even if you're not here in Massachusetts or New Hampshire, if you live out in the West Coast and you're just curious what is it going to take to sell a home, reach out. And if I need to, I'll help you find an agent out where you are and give you a hand getting that house sold.